The hype is real. Nintendo does it again. The Nintendo Switch 2 is finally here. Gamers around the world held their breath for this moment. The console everyone's talking about promises a new era of gaming. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's already flying off the shelves, but does it live up to the immense hype? Let's dive in. Under the hood, power and performance. Nintendo really cranked things up this time. The Switch 2 boasts a significantly more powerful processor. This means smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and more detailed graphics. We're talking about a giant leap forward from the original Switch. Games look absolutely stunning on the new console. First impressions. A feast for the senses. The first thing you'll notice is the vibrant OLED display. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and the overall picture quality is remarkable. Games come alive on this screen, drawing you right into the action. The improved speakers also deserve a shout-out. They deliver richer sound, making the gaming experience even more immersive. Joy-Cons evolved, but are they perfect? Nintendo listened to feedback and made some notable improvements to the Joy-Cons. They feel more ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even during long gaming sessions. The buttons are also more responsive, and the dreaded drift issues seem to be gone. However, they could be a bit bigger for people with larger hands. Let's talk more about this screen. The OLED display is a game changer, literally. The colors are incredibly vivid, and the blacks are truly black, not the washed-out gray we're used to from LCD screens. This makes games look incredibly lifelike and immersive. It's like having a high-definition TV in your hands. The big caveat: battery life takes a hit. Now for the elephant in the room: battery life. While the Switch 2 is a technological marvel, this is where it stumbles a bit. That gorgeous OLED screen and the beefier processor demand more power. In real-world usage, you're looking at about 3 to 4 hours of playtime on a single charge. This is significantly less than the original Switch and could be a deal-breaker for some. Pros and cons, weighing the good and the bad. Let's break down the good and the not-so-good. On the plus side, the Switch 2 offers unparalleled performance, a stunning display, improved Joy-Cons, and a fantastic lineup of launch titles. The downside? That battery life is a real bummer, especially for a handheld console. Should you take the plunge? So, is the Nintendo Switch 2 worth your hard-earned cash? If you're a graphics enthusiast, a hardcore gamer, or someone who values portability and visual fidelity above all else, then absolutely. It's a worthy upgrade that pushes the boundaries of handheld gaming. The final verdict: a worthy successor? The Nintendo Switch 2 is a powerful and impressive console that delivers a fantastic gaming experience. While the battery life might be a concern for some, the overall package is undeniably compelling. It's a worthy successor to the Switch throne and a testament to Nintendo's ability to innovate and delight.